viewers, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make honey bell cake recipe. For this, first we will grease the tin with oil and dust it with some powdered sugar. Now in a mixing bowl we will take 1 cup of flour or maida. Into that add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. We have to sieve this mixture completely so that it does not create any lumps in our cake. Now in another mixing bowl we will take half a cup of oil. Into that we will add half a cup of powdered sugar and mix it well. Now we will add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So our wet mixture is ready. Now we will add our dry mixture into the wet mixture. We have to add the dry components gradually. As it becomes some hard to move, you can add half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of milk and mix it. Add that much milk into the batter as per the consistency required. Now as my cake batter is ready, I'll remove it into my cake tin. Now this is a very important step. We have to add half teaspoon of vinegar into the cake batter which is in the tin and not into the bowl while mixing the batter. This step will help to make our cake more softened. So now we can bake the cake in oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes or in microwave at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. You can also bake this into the cooker for 20 minutes on low flame. So now our cake is ready. We will demold the cake and let it cool. So now we will make a honey syrup for our cake. For that you will take 2 tablespoons of sugar. Into that add half a cup of water and boil it on a low flame. Once the sugar completely dissolves into the water, we will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey and boil it again. So our honey syrup is now ready. We will remove it into a bowl and let it cool. Now we will make the topping on our cake. For this I have taken a mixed fruit jam. You can take any jam or crush. If you are taking crush, then do not cook it. Once the jam is dissolved, we will add 1 tablespoon of honey into it. So our jam topping is ready. Now I am making a small holes by fork on our cake so that it will soak the sugar syrup. We will add the honey syrup which we made. If you are going to eat the whole cake on same day, you can add half of the syrup. If you are not going to eat and eat it some other day, you have to add full syrup on it. Now I'll add the prepared jam topping on it. Here I have decorated my honey bale cake with some desiccated coconut. You can decorate with anything you like. Do give this recipe a try. You can see the softness of the cake. So if you like this recipe, then do give it a like and comment down below, and do consider for subscription. Till then, keep watching.